Hi guys! Welcome to Cravings by Baminche. Today we're having Chicken Tinola. Our first step is magigisa tayo ng onion sa preheated cooking pan and oil. Next is yung chopped garlic at saka halu-haluin. Once nag-glossy na yung onion, pwede natin dito i-add yung sliced ginger. After 1 minute, pwede natin dito ilagay yung chicken. Then, you can add salt para magkaroon ng lasa yung chicken. Mix it well until mag-slightly brown yung gulay niya, and then we can add the lemongrass. Optional nga lang pala yung lemongrass, pwede naman tayo maglagay ng ginger lang. After that, pwede tayo maglagay ng black pepper. Halu-haluin lang natin siya hanggang maluto ng maigi yung chicken, and then we can add the water para magkaroon ng sabaw. And it's up to you kung gaano kadaming sabaw ang gusto niyo. Let it boil for a few minutes, and then pwede na tayo maglagay ng fish sauce. And then pwede natin dito ilagay yung sliced raw papaya. Papakulaan lang natin ng ilang minutes yung papaya hanggang sa maluto siya, and it's up to you kung gusto niyo ng half cook lang or well cooked. But for me, I prefer yung luto talaga siya kasi gusto ko yung malambot na papaya. And then, add more salt according to your taste at takpan nyo ulit hanggang sa maluto yung papaya at yung manok. At pwede na natin dito ilagay yung siling haba. Kung sa tingin nyo matabang pa siya, pwede pa kayo mag-add ng more fish sauce. And there you have it guys, it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.